Hi, my name's Dr. Ian Hunter. I want to welcome you to the Australasian Literacy Summit. Come along, we'd love to see you. The theme, writing. What's our game plan? Because it's not just enough to have an idea, we need a plan. In many countries around the world, and we're not immune, writing has become, just so tough. In New Zealand, we now have the lowest PISA scores since PISA began. New writing standards at NCEA level are suggesting that possibly only a third of the country can even pass the test. And it's not enough just to say, it's our students' problem, because this is education and we are the educators. It's our duty. It's our problem. So what we've done at Toolbox is we've scaled the world to bring some of the best speakers for this 2-day summit. Absolute experts in their field. Come and spend 2 days and sit and wrestle with these things and come up with a tangible solution for your school and your classrooms. We can do this. We're good at this. Come along to the summit. Let's do it together.